Elon just broke his silence about the terrifying new images of the James Webb Telescope. For weeks rumors had been swirling about a mysterious photo that scientists were keeping under wraps. Now that it's out, Elon's reaction is both fascinating and unsettling. Elon is calling it a game changer, something that could rewrite everything we thought we knew about the universe. But what was in the image, and what does he really think this discovery means for the future? Part 1: Introduction to the discovery and Elon Musk's initial reaction. When Elon Musk speaks, the world tends to listen, whether it's about launching rockets to Mars, creating electric cars, or his many tweets that send shockwaves through the markets. He always has a way of grabbing attention. But this time, Musk's silence had been deafening. For weeks rumors swirled about a new image from NASA's James Webb Space Telescope JWST that was unlike anything scientists had ever seen. When Musk finally broke his silence, the world was left even more intrigued and honestly a little bit terrified. So what's all the fuss about? Let's start with the James Webb Space Telescope itself. This is not your average space gadget floating around in orbit. Launched in December 2021, JWST was designed to do what no other telescope has ever been able to: peer deeper into the universe and capture images from its earliest moments. Think of it like this: if the Hubble Space Telescope was the family camera capturing stunning pictures of planets, galaxies, and nebulae, the JWST is like the X-ray machine. It doesn't just take pretty pictures, it can look deep into the hidden layers of space through the gas and dust that have kept parts of the cosmos hidden from us. Since its launch, the JWST has been sending back images that have left astronomers and space enthusiasts in awe. You've probably seen those mesmerizing photos of distant galaxies or intricate star formations. These images have helped us understand more about the origins of the universe. But it turns out that JWST had something even more shocking in store, and it's this new discovery that Elon Musk is reacting to. Here's where it gets interesting. NASA, usually quick to show off their findings, had been unusually quiet about this particular image. There was buzz in the scientific community about something major, but no one was quite sure what it was. Then, after weeks of speculation, NASA finally released the image, and it was unlike anything we've ever seen before. This image didn't just show a galaxy or a cluster of stars, no, it showed a vast dark void in space stretching across billions of light years. But that's not the strange part. What really baffled scientists were the faint ghostly structures within this void. These weren't galaxies, stars, or nebulae, they were something entirely new, something that defied all previous understanding of the cosmos. When Elon Musk finally addressed the image, his reaction was both fascinating and unsettling. As someone who's always looking toward the future, whether it's colonizing Mars or creating artificial intelligence, Musk knows that our understanding of the universe is always evolving. But this discovery was different. He didn't just see it as another cool moment for space science, he saw it as a potential game changer, one that could shake up everything we thought we knew about the universe. For Musk, this image represented more than just a scientific curiosity, it was a wake-up call, a reminder that we are still very much in the dark, literally and figuratively, when it comes to understanding the full scope of the cosmos. The JWST had just revealed something that didn't fit into any of the current models of how the universe works. For someone like Musk, who thrives on pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, that's both exciting and terrifying. The void captured in the image is mind-boggling in its scale. Imagine looking at a photograph that shows billions of light years of empty space with only the faintest traces of something lurking within it. It's not just a blank spot in the universe, it's a place where the usual rules of physics and cosmology don't seem to apply. The structures within the void don't resemble anything we've ever seen before. They are not galaxies or nebulae, and they are certainly not stars. Instead, they seem to be something else. But what that something else is, no one knows yet. This is where Musk's take on the situation becomes even more intriguing. As a visionary and thinker, Musk has always been fascinated by the unknown. His drive to colonize Mars isn't just about sending rockets to another planet, it's about the human race becoming a multiplanetary species and ensuring our survival in an unpredictable universe. So when faced with an image that calls into question our very understanding of space-time and reality, Musk naturally begins to wonder what this means for humanity's future. Could this void be a clue to some hidden aspect of the universe we've never even imagined? Is it possible that the structures within it represent something entirely outside our current scientific knowledge, like new forms of matter or energy? Musk always one to push the boundaries of possibility, isn't ruling anything out. And when he hints that this discovery could change everything, it's hard not to believe him. But there's something else about this discovery that seems to strike a deeper chord with Musk. It's the idea that we might be missing something fundamental in our understanding of the universe. For years, scientists have operated under what's known as the Standard Model of Cosmology. This model explains how the universe is structured, how it expands, and how things like dark matter and dark energy work. It's been incredibly successful in explaining a lot of what we observe in space. But this new image from the JWST suggests that there may be cracks in that model. What if there are forces or phenomena at play that we haven't even considered yet? Musk has always been a big thinker when it comes to the future, but he's also a realist. He knows that while technological advances like the JWST can open new doors, they can also reveal just how much we don't know. This new image is a perfect example of that. It's beautiful, yes, but it's also terrifying. It suggests that the universe is even stranger and more complex than we ever imagined, and that we still have a long way to go before we truly understand it. As Musk pointed out, this discovery could have far-reaching implications not just for our understanding of the cosmos, but for humanity's place in it. If these mysterious structures are something entirely new, something we've never even conceived of, what does that mean for our future explorations of space? Are we prepared for what we might find out there? Musk, of course, has been pushing for deeper space exploration for years, but even he seems to recognize that this new image represents a challenge, one that could force us to rethink everything we thought we knew. Part 2: Breaking down the image and its implications. As Elon Musk continued to reflect on the significance of the James Webb Space Telescope's latest discovery, it became clear that this wasn't just another fascinating tidbit of space science. This new image was rattling even the most seasoned scientists, and Musk's reaction showed just how deeply this had shaken the broader community of thinkers, astronomers, and space enthusiasts. The James Webb Telescope, which had already provided us with stunning looks into the cosmos, had now revealed something that went far, far beyond our current understanding. The image itself, with its dark, expansive void and those ghostly structures lurking within, sparked questions that could fundamentally change how we look at the universe. I mean, think about it. Here we were believing we had a decent grasp on how the universe worked, expanding space, dark matter, dark energy, and all that. But suddenly this picture throws everything into question. For Musk, who's always been focused on the future of humanity and where we fit into this grand cosmic puzzle, the implications were staggering. This wasn't just about scientific curiosity anymore, it was about rethinking our entire approach to understanding the universe. Musk has always had that knack for seeing past the surface of things, and this was no different. He saw right away that this discovery could shift everything we thought we knew. Let's dive a little deeper into the image itself. When the JWST captured this vast dark void, most people might have expected it to be just another empty stretch of space. After all, cosmic voids aren't unheard of. There are regions of space that are less dense, where there are fewer galaxies, stars, or matter in general. But this one was different. First off, the sheer scale of it was mind-boggling. We're talking billions of light-years of near-nothingness, which is hard to wrap your head around. But what really stood out were those faint structures within the void. These weren't your typical galaxies or star clusters, no, they were something else, something we've never seen before. And that's where things start to get really interesting. Musk, with his insatiable curiosity and vision for humanity's future in space, didn't see this image as just another puzzle for scientists to solve. To him, it was a sign that our current models of the universe might be flawed, or at least incomplete. Has long been a proponent of questioning the status quo, whether it's challenging traditional automotive industries with Tesla or reimagining space travel with SpaceX. So when faced with something as profound as this discovery, Musk immediately began to think bigger. One of the theories Musk entertained was the idea that this void and its strange structures could point to a flaw in our understanding of dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter, which we've never directly observed but believe makes up about 85% of the universe's mass, has been central to our cosmological models for decades. It's what holds galaxies together even though we can't see it. Dark energy, on the other hand, is thought to be responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. But what if these concepts don't fully explain what's really happening out there? But it's not all excitement, there's a genuine sense of concern. If this discovery challenges our understanding of dark matter and energy, what else are we missing? Could this void signify something more dangerous lurking just out of sight? For Musk, this raises a terrifying question: are we prepared for whatever is out there? With plans for manned missions to Mars and a long-term vision for human settlements beyond Earth, Musk knows that understanding the universe isn't just an academic exercise. It could very well impact the future of humanity. This brings us to another critical aspect of Musk's reaction to the JWST's findings: the responsibility that comes with knowledge. He has always talked about humanity's need to become a multiplanetary species to explore and colonize other worlds. But if we're venturing into an unknown universe that holds mysteries and potentially new forms of matter or energy, are we really prepared for what we might find? Part 3: The Future of Exploration and Implications for Humanity. Musk's reaction to the recent images from the James Webb Space Telescope goes beyond scientific intrigue. It speaks to the very essence of what it means to be human in an ever-expanding universe. For centuries we've looked up at the stars and wondered what lies beyond our planet. As we take steps to explore those depths, discoveries like this one challenge us to rethink not just our understanding of the cosmos, but our very purpose as explorers and seekers of knowledge. Musk's focus on the future has always included an acknowledgement of humanity's responsibility. With the implications of the JWST's findings still unfolding, it raises questions about what we do with this new knowledge. The universe is vast and complex, and as we delve deeper we might encounter things that fundamentally challenge our understanding of existence. What if these voids represent realms we don't yet comprehend, realms that could have unforeseen consequences for our understanding of physics or even our very survival as a species? The image captured by the JWST may serve as a harbinger of a new chapter in human exploration. Musk has always championed the idea that we must venture into the unknown to truly grow as a species. But this venture now comes with a caveat: we must approach it with humility and caution. If we are to explore the universe beyond our solar system, we need to be prepared for challenges we cannot yet fathom. This is especially true as we work toward interstellar travel, a topic Musk has hinted at, but that remains far from reality. Moreover, Musk's fascination with technology and its intersection with humanity's future adds another layer to this conversation. As we enhance our technological capabilities, think AI, advanced telescopes, or space travel, what ethical considerations come into play? If we encounter new forms of matter or energy, what would that mean for our existing technologies? How would they impact our understanding of sustainability, resource management, and even the basic principles of life as we know it? Musk is a firm believer in the idea that technology can be a force for good, but he also understands that unchecked advancements can lead to unintended consequences. The image from the JWST, while awe-inspiring, also serves as a reminder that with great power comes great responsibility. In closing, Elon Musk's reaction to the James Webb Space Telescope's recent discoveries encapsulates a complex mix of excitement, fear, and wonder. As humanity stands on the brink of new frontiers, we must grapple with questions that challenge our very essence. The vastness of space, filled with dark voids and enigmatic structures, beckons us to explore, but it also warns us to tread carefully. Whether this discovery leads us to new realms of understanding or new dilemmas, one thing is certain: the journey ahead will be anything but straightforward. And as we continue to peel back the layers of the universe, we must remember that each discovery carries with it the weight of responsibility and the promise of possibilities we have yet to imagine. Whether through SpaceX rockets or the lenses of the James Webb Space Telescope, the future awaits, dark, mysterious, and full of wonder.